Welcome. Take a moment to settle into stillness. Feel the support beneath you, whether you're sitting or lying down. There is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do right now. Just this breath, just this moment. If it feels safe, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Begin to notice your natural breath. No need to change it, just be aware. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, inhale, letting your body soften, and exhale, releasing any tension. One more breath in, and a long, slow breath out. Allow this breath to anchor you here, present, safe, and steady. Bring your attention now to the words, I am more than enough. Let them rest softly in your mind. There's no need to push or prove anything. Simply allow these words to be like a gentle truth waiting to be felt. You are already enough, not because of what you do or achieve, but because you simply are. Repeat quietly in your mind, I am more than enough. Let that phrase settle in like a warm embrace. Now breathe slowly and deeply with the affirmation. Inhale, I am. Exhale, more than enough. Again, breathe in, I am, and breathe out, more than enough. Feel the rhythm of your breath and the steady truth of these words. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath and the affirmation. Let it become a soft rhythm, your own healing mantra. Breathe in, I am, and breathe out, more than enough. Try that by yourself. Breathe in and breathe out. Saying the affirmation in your mind as you do this work. I am more than enough. I am more than enough. Now bring your awareness inward and ask, what does more than enough feel like inside my body? Where do I notice softness, openness, or peace? Are there places where I still hold tension or doubt? If so, can I breathe kindness into those spaces? There is no rush, just gentle curiosity. Know that you do not have to change or fix anything right now. You are whole in this moment. Now imagine a gentle light glowing within you, soft, warm, and steady. This light represents your inherent worth, a light that cannot be diminished or taken away. With every inhale, see this light grow brighter and warmer. And with every exhale, feel it spread through your entire being, through your chest, your arms, your legs, your whole body. Let this light soothe any doubt or fear, reminding you, you are enough, more than enough, always. Rest in this light for a few moments. Now slowly bring your attention back to these affirmations. I am more than enough. I am worthy of love and kindness. I accept myself fully and gently. I am whole just as I am. I am enough in every way. Repeat them silently or aloud, letting each phrase resonate. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel your breath, the support beneath you. Gently wriggle your fingers and your toes, and when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of being more than enough with you throughout your day. Know that you are deeply worthy, not because of what you do, but because of who you are. Thank you for taking this time to be with yourself. Remember to shine your light as you go through your day in every way.